If you read the title, you already know. SharePoint is here. SharePoint is here, and we're going to find out what it does today. So, like with every new integration, we're going to pick an LLM that has tools, and then we're going to go into our tools and select OneDrive and SharePoint. Look at that. We're going to tell AI that we want it to make a table of the tool calls that it has using this OneDrive SharePoint integration, what they do, and what that means. This is a quick shortcut to find out what an integration does. You don't need to know exactly what it does. You don't need to go in and read all of the docs, even though you should. We put a lot of work into that. You can just go here and ask, what are the tool calls that you have? What does that mean? Because when Hats connects to your OneDrive, your SharePoint, it doesn't just go in and do everything and see everything all at once and magically understand what you want it to do. It makes use of these tool calls to take certain functions. And you can think of these as like certain combination of, keystrokes and button clicks and like actions that a human might take. So it has to do them in a certain order to get the information and get the context that it needs to answer your prompt. So these are all of the things that it can do, right? So if you want to know what the SharePoint integration does, how it works, this is what I would recommend doing because it can do any number of different things. It uses the OneDrive SharePoint list items. It can go and get folders. It can go and get files. There's tons of stuff it can do. You can even use it to download files, right? So if you don't want to have to go in and search through your OneDrive, it can download a file and give you a link to it. Then it even gives you this fun little summary, search and find for files, access the data, all kinds of stuff. So go have fun with the SharePoint integration. Let us know how you're using it and what you'd like to see. See you in the next one.